Should I cover my 16 pounds turkey while it's cooking?
Hello everyone. Today, we'll be discussing whether you should cover your 16 pounds turkey while it's cooking. This is a common question, especially during the holiday season. Let's break down the pros and cons of covering a turkey and provide you with some tips on how to get the perfect roast.
Should I cover my turkey?
The short answer is yes and no. Covering your turkey can help to keep it moist and prevent it from drying out, but you will also want to uncover it during the final stages of cooking to achieve a crispy, golden brown skin. Here's how to do it. 1. Start by covering the turkey with aluminum foil, forming a tent-like shape over the bird. This will help to trap moisture and cook the turkey more evenly. 2. Remove the foil during the last hour or so of cooking. This will allow the skin to brown and crisp up.
How long should I cook my 16 pounds turkey?
The cooking time for your turkey will depend on a few factors, such as your oven's temperature and whether or not the bird is stuffed. As a general guideline, you can follow these recommendations. Unstuffed turkey. Cook at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius, for about 3 to 3.5 hours. Stuffed turkey. Cook at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 degrees Celsius, for about 3.75 to 4.5 hours. Remember to use a meat thermometer to ensure that the internal temperature of the turkey reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius.
What if my turkey is browning too quickly?
If your turkey is browning too quickly but hasn't reached the proper internal temperature yet, you can recover it with foil to prevent it from over-browning. Be sure to keep an eye on the temperature and remove the foil again when it's close to being done. In conclusion, covering your 16 pounds turkey while it's cooking can be a great way to retain moisture and ensure even cooking. Just remember to uncover it during the final stages of cooking to achieve a beautifully browned and crispy skin. Good luck and happy cooking!